Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove noise or grain in your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere, and now from here we can see the grain in this video. So let's go see and zoom in. As you can see, it's really grainy right here. As you can see right there, and we can zoom in a little bit more and we can see the grain right there. So we're gonna fix this. So it's very easy in fixing this one. All we have to do is go into effects and type in denoise, and we can see the denoise effect under right here. Actually, let's go for noise right here, and we can go for this one right here, VR denoise under video effects. So you will now drag this into your video, and just like that, as you can see, it's immediately gone. But we don't want that because, as you can see, we lose a lot of details with that one. As you can see, it's not as sharp anymore. So what we're gonna do is, wait a second, let's just show this right there. So as you can see, when we zoom in, we lose a lot of details. It's not as sharp anymore. So we're gonna reduce the noise level. So what I like to do is I want to expand this so I can just drag this right here so I can have more control right there. Maybe just this one. As you can see, at this point it's still noisy. There is still noise right there. So what I recommend is maybe at 15 right there. As you can see, there is no more noise. It's not as visible anymore. But be careful in raising the value right here, because the more you raise the value, the more you lose the quality of your video. As you can see, it's getting blurry and blurry right there. So all you have to do is just put a little bit of a denoise right there. I think 15 is good right there. And when you zoom out, as you can see, it now looks good right here. When you play it, it's now like this, as you can see. But first, let's render it. So let's just finish rendering so that it won't be choppy when we're playing it. It would be a smooth video playback. So let's just wait for it to finish loading. And now it's done. As you can see right here, you can see the quality. As you can see, there is no more noise evident right there. And when we zoom in right there, as you can see, we don't see a lot of noise right there. There is some, but it would not be visible unless you zoom in. So I think that is pretty good value for me. 0.15 here in VR denoise. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.